of studying was the beginning of new life, new me. Every day, from graduation from the School of Islam till the day when I converted to Islam, I was thinking that if tomorrow I'll go out, I will get hit by a car, strong asthma attack, or airplane will not land, and I will die without saying Shahada. These thoughts inspired fear and haunted. 5th May 2020, I converted to Islam. I just said to my husband, I want to convert to Islam now. The most important was now, because before I was speaking about that will happen one day. But this time, it was decision what must be done now. It was decisive, I want now. Each my step